Hi there and welcome back to Circuit the World. My name's Alice and today we're opening another Eureka box. We're trying a different format. Normally we take these to the floor, which is so graciously behind me, but I'm going to try at the desk. I'm going to try it with a little bit of a different, you can see my desktop. Apologies about that. Try a little bit of a different angle, see if this works, see if it doesn't, see if I even have enough space, which I don't normally have, here on the desk to unbox the Eureka crate. This month's is, as you can see here, well, you will if it focuses, Perpetual calendar. Perpetual? Yeah, I guess that's Perpetual. So let's have a look inside and see what we're building, because I don't actually know. And last time with the soap dispenser, it was not what I thought it was going to look like. Let's have a butcher's in here. Oh, sorry, just hit the mic. Here we go. This is what we're looking at. I don't understand. Does it just do itself? I don't care what's in the booklet. I wonder how it works. I want to know how it works. Gears and wheels, fun. It doesn't tell me how it's going to work. Let's find out together. Let's get everything out of the box. I think it's probably the best way to start. There doesn't look to be that much in this box, which is nice. I'm going to leave those in their bags and put them over there and we'll go from here. So let's find the page I was just on to try and work out what the first thing is we got to do. And let's get going into that lovely time lapse where you get to watch me build something pretty fast when it actually takes me a little while. Let's go! Before you start, the markers for your calendar come in red and blue. Pick whichever colour you want each part. We get to choose the colour, lads. I only see blue. Can I mix and match? Yeah, coordinate or mix and match. The choice is up to you. Oh, yes. That didn't rip. Are you kidding? Oh, come on. Don't do this to me. I'm going to get really upset with this really quickly, just FYI. If these don't peel right. They're not peeling. Are they even stickers? I think they're supposed to be sticky. But they are not sticking. So what I'm going to try, very hard to do, is just utilize this fact that this is going to keep it in place. That does in fact seem to have worked. So we're going to do that. We're not even going to try and peel the backs off the rest of them. I thought they were stickers. But it doesn't say stick and it doesn't say peel. Make sure the teeth close, which they did. So we're just going to go with this. Squeeze the foam. Shit, come on, squish that foam, baby. And then line up the square, maybe? Oh, look at that. Perfect. So perfect. I can see through it. Can you see through it? Yeah, look. Look. Hello. Maybe that worked. Cool. Next. And then line up the squares so we can see all the way through the middle. Yep, love it. Great. I'm checking it works. Yo, that is so clever. Look, watch this. Ready? Oh, well, you've got the wrong side. Hang on. Because there's one less on the other side. Oh, wait. How did that happen? Did I go the wrong way? I went the wrong way. 9, 10. I've got to go through the whole lot though because I got to reset it. So we got halfway there. That's so clever. That is so simple. It's because there's one more on the other side. So when you twist it, there's space for it to drop. I'm very impressed. See, this says stick. Did the other one say stick? I'm gonna find out. No, the other ones are fold. This does in fact say stick. So I am expecting these to stick. Now again, we're gonna, what color was 15? Does anyone remember? I think it was blue. Oh God. Wait, no, 10 was blue and 15 was red. So we want an additional blue on this one. So, start with Monday. It's blue. Yeah, that's a sticker. Look how shiny the back is. Oh, shiny, shiny. All right, there we go. That's this bit done. I can't really show you yet because it's very unstable. But that's that bit done. So I do this. Da da da. Lovely, lovely stuff. Yes, it is working, but not quite accurately enough. Hopefully we're about to make it more accurate. Give it a spin. Let's see if it works, shall we? I should just do this. And this. And this. When does it know to spin the month? That's what I want to know. Can you see that working? Yeah, you can see that working. I'm going to skip Saturday. Sunday is completely skipped. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. It's jumping over Saturday for some reason. Don't know why. And Sunday. Something's not quite right there. Monday. Tuesday. Okay, it needs to sit in there. It's somehow not, it's not aligning with this. Getting itself out of whack on this, which is why it's suddenly not working. So here we go. Here is the final product. It's a little bit fiddly. It's a little bit finicky. I had to completely unbuild the entire thing to fix the thing that had gone slightly wrong, which was the days spinner. The days spin is very temperamental. Go too fast and it does just jump. You have to make sure that this little thingy here is sitting in its rivets on the cog, or it doesn't work. Feels a little unstable. It's a great thing and it does work. I just wish it felt a little bit more stable. The things are prone to just kind of fall apart, which obviously does mean it doesn't work, but it is currently working. It is currently on the right date and everything. I think of all of the practical ones we've had, this is probably one of my least favorite practical ones, just because it feels quite fragile and I want to use it, but it also feels like if I do use it, it's going to break very quickly. But of all the boxes, this is quite a good one. Like I said earlier in the video, I do like the boxes that come with products that you can use. You don't just have to kind of build and sit and look at. They are practical, they can be used. I really like that this is kind of the avenue they've gone down. It's been the same in the last 3 boxes now, also the 3 you've seen, ironically, which is the flashlight / lantern, and then the soap dispenser from last time, and now this, the Perpetual calendar from this month. So I really like that that's the route they're going down. I hope they continue down this route of providing boxes that are practical and can be used daily or have uses outside just being something a bit fun and a bit quirky. I do prefer that. And it's really cool as well to have like the mechanics of it. So the way the numbers drop down and the month resets. And the only thing I wish is that the month dial as well was kind of somehow connected to that gear mechanism. So maybe there's like a ticker on it or like a counter, so when it gets to 30 it pings around to the next month. I appreciate that doesn't work for months of 31, so I can understand why that isn't something they've done, but still I think that would be quite a cool function to add to it. But overall it's pretty cool, it's pretty simple, it does its job. It can be a little bit temperamental, but aside from that, a pretty decent little build. I have no idea what's coming next month, but do hang around and hit that little subscribe button if you're interested to know, because whatever comes next month, I will build with you here on the channel. But for now, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It's been an absolute blast, as always. If you enjoyed this video, go show that like button some good old-fashioned love. And if you want to support the channel, go hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss next time I upload a video. Stay awesome, and I will see you all in the next video! Gonna put it here on my windowsill, and then maybe in future videos you'll see it.